Titular King of Manipur, Laishe Masanajawa says the ritual of Mera Hau Chongba once again showed that all communities living in the state share common origin. Deputy Chief Minister Kai Khangam once again reiterates to be cautious from those who are trying to disintegrate the integrity of the state. Francis Ngazopal lambasted using of students by CSOs and students' bodies to address their problems. And JAC Pong Lambi Trong's MLA Dr. NG Bijoy's residence and demands resignation if the road cannot be reopened. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandra Wangkhemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Annual ritual of Mera Hau Chongba was observed across Manipur today. Titular King of Manipur, Laisem Bachanajawa expressed that the ritual of Mera Hau Chongba once again showed that all communities living in the state share common origin. Laisem Bachanajawa led a religious procession of Amaibi, Amaiba, Pena, Pung and people both from the hills and the valley from Sana Konung to Kangla. Traditional rituals such as Mera Men Tongba, Yen Kongba Tamba, Yu Pan Thaba were also held as part of the observance. Speaking on occasion, Laisem Bachanajawa also maintained that the people of the state have been observing the Mera Hau Chongba ritual since time immemorial and understanding the common origin of all the communities of the state only can bring peace and harmony among us.
Magi wari khangna phajana pangthogadi ekhoigi horoknegi dugumba nungsi lipuladu ekhoi khangminagani amasung khoi maseng marakta misunderstanding lakpa natra kariguma thajana dab lakpa mayamse siguma Mera Hau Chongba sina khoigi phajana mapung phana pangthogadi aduga magi marik sumna wari khangna phajana pangthogadi lamdam sida yam ingna signa nunga yai phana laiminariba ekhoi kanglu phuruk khudingmak khena ba amata leitana khoi lingjel manana nungsina himana ngamgani haibagi thajabadu leijai.
Deputy Chief Minister Kai Khangam today once again reiterated to be cautious from those who are trying to disintegrate the integrity of the state. Speaking at the Mera Hau Chongba observation held at Haying Khongbal Talong Yumpam, Lining Thau Sanamahi Laishang, First Manipur Rifles Complex, organized by Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board. Kai Khangam said every nook and corner of the hills and valley are connected but lacks emotional integration. The observance kicked off with Parliamentary Secretary Victor Kaysing lighting the sacred pinewood flame before the Lining Thau Laimarin B. Large number of people both from the hills and the valley took part in the observance and also staged dance and songs for various communities. Deputy Chief Minister Kai Khangam and former Minister and President of Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board Langpok Lakpam Jayanta Kumar exchanged gifts followed by others which signifies peaceful coexistence between the hills and the valley. The 15th Mera Hau Chongba Tharum was also jointly observed by Akom Lup Kanglei Park and MMRC Park Khangabong as mark of observing the month to follow the footsteps of our late forefathers. Gifts were exchanged between various hill and valley brethren. Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai hoisted the Mera Wa to mark the beginning of the occasion. In her address, A.K. Mirabai observed that observance of Mera Hau Chongba for the whole year will be able to understand the real meaning of the festival and will help in strengthening hills and valley love and oneness.
Tasingnamak Hau Chongbagi thabak thoramsingsida ayamba nupa ngakdana ayamba aikoi presentation pinaba gift pinaba amadi nupi si yaw daba uba ado handakti nupi ga nupa ga je pura mix tawraga yamna phajaba mawongda lakpaje masina takpadi nupi je empowerment je phangba hawra mare piba hawra mare isagi right che khaga sijinaba aikoi ngame na ina khalle ga si yam nungai ba phawi.
Mera Hau Chongba was also celebrated at Sacred Kangla under Kangla Religious Committee. Deputy Chief Minister Kai Khangam, who took part on the occasion, observed that challenging the integrity of the state is tantamount to challenging God. Exchanges of gifts between the valley and hill brothers marked the occasion. Kai Khangam further maintained that it would be wrong to alter history for the sake of some political gains, and he said it would be better for us to find out those persons who are trying to drive wedge between various ethnic communities residing in Manipur. He compared hills and the valley as both sides of a hand and expressed inseparableness. He also calls for the need to find out our common history to live together in peace and amity.
ꯊꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ origin ꯊꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯊꯥꯞꯇꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯑꯣꯔꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯑꯣꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯍꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯥꯗꯕ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟ ꯁꯥꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯏꯇꯤꯍꯥꯁ ꯃꯥꯟꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ प्रजा ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ.
Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore, who is also the Chief Election Officer, said all is set for the by-elections of Thongju and Thangwiban Assembly constituencies on November 21. Oinam Nabakishore informed that 85 polling stations of Thongju Assembly constituency and Thangwiban Assembly constituency will be guarded by one section of Central Paramilitary Forces in order to conduct free and fair election.
Election Commission da amasung Central Government da polling station 85 khudingmakta one section of the Central Paramilitary Force thamaga election gi polling station si ngak se hanba peaceful oiba election tonanobagi adugi koi thorang laire ngasi makse koi Election Commission da Manipur gi Central Paramilitary Force election gi damakta trani thoi darkar layana koi pau pi re aduga masai hypersensitive ki matang dudi koina Central Paramilitary Force section namam polling station khudingta thadarabanina adum yamna matik chana security pirani haibagi adumagi arrangement do laire.
Earlier, Chief Secretary of Oinam Nabakishore, who also holds the post of Chairman of Manipur Development Society, was given a warm reception by Manipur Development Society Employees Union held at secured office AT line. Speaking on occasion, Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore said that he will do his best for the development of farmer and weavers. He further stated that MDS's contributions is very much needed for the development of the state. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Francis Ngazokpa has alleged that students and civil society organizations are using students to address their problems and issues. He said this in connection with the valedictory function of the two-day state-level Kala Utsav at MFDC. He said students' life is one of the most crucial period in one's lifetime. Students should concentrate time on their studies to become a perfect person. However, in Manipur, students are used as a tool and ransom for social and political issues confronting the state. Education Minister M. Okendro observed that emotional and cultural integration can only bring about unity and integrity in Manipur. He also maintained that observation of Kala Utsav can bring about oneness among the hills and the valley students. Prizes were also distributed to position holders of dance, music, visual arts and theatre competitions held during the Utsav.
You must have the guts to say that this is not my duty. I'm not supposed to go for rally. For any grievances which you have, the elders have, you are supposed to go to school. Yes, people like student organizations, civil organizations may call you because you are innocent.
Lady Bunching Tamgi, Lady Ba, Angang Sing Maru and Pimacha Sinda, Sona Chandiri, Yam Tuna, a Tubumatam, the Haiba, Sindaba, Pimasang, Atagueba, hostel, if we Pangani Habakit has a belay.
Up to the age of 18. Magi life key ethics, life key value, yamna right, appropriate softness and hardness. Other somewhere sculpting the woman, particularly of the mind, of the thought, of the character, of the discipline.
The 86th Mera Thabum Thauram was observed at Akham Lerak Manung Community Hall, Sagolban Moirang Lerak, under Apok Mamaru. It may be recalled that Mera Cheng Haiba has been observing on 15 Mera every year since time immemorial to offer respect to our late forefathers. Monitoring Cell Students' Union election in a press release asked all concerned to follow Code of Conduct during the election of the Students' Union scheduled on November 2. Monitoring Cell Students' Union election 2015 convener Udoy Luwang has maintained that ban has been imposed for the scrutiny of DM College of Science and Kakchin Kuno College election to be held tomorrow. Speaking to me at Manipur College today, Udoy said the last date for filing of nomination is 26, but the authorities of DM College of Science closed it on 24th, violating the rights of two candidates. On the other hand, authorities of Kakchin Kuno College prohibited the students of 5th and 6th semester from contesting for the post of General Secretary and Finance Secretary. All Manipur recognized Private School Welfare Association has urged not to take Rs 50 as an enrollment fee from Class 8 students by district ZEOs. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club today, Association Secretary L. Joy Kumar said district ZEO's effort to take Rs 50 from each student of Class 8 without the knowledge of the Education Department is very much against the right to education and free education. Urging the ZEOs to withdraw their steps at the earliest, he appealed to all the concerned not to call any ban or blockade from November 20 to 30, when the association is holding pre-board common examinations for Class 10 students. Now, a day after JNIM's gate was closed by angry public over the closing of Ponglambi, Impact News met JNIM's director, Professor Laishram Devan Singh. However, Professor Devan declined to give comment over the issue. Heavy security has been deployed at JNIM's complex. Extra Manipur police personnel are deployed with water cannons, also on standby. Due to general holiday on the occasion of Mera Hau Chongba, OPD was closed. However, the patients are being treated at JNIM's as usual, with no untoward incidents reported so far. However, on the other hand, JC of Pong Road has a strong Kurai Assembly Constituency MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy's residents asking him to resign if he cannot open Pong Road at the earliest. Moreover, the members of JC also damaged some portion of his residence, alleging that the MLA used abusive languages. JC also strongly condemned the late remark of MLA Bijoy that the agitation was launched after some shopkeepers insisted the JC. In protest against his remark, a public meeting was convened at Social Development Organization Club at Kongpal. General Secretary of Puri Puraba Nupilup, LB Mola, strongly condemned the people's demand to open Pong Road has been misinterpreted as an instigated agitation by money. The meeting also used placards saying the people who could buy by money are in Thawal.
Ngarang akhoi gi khongjang duda OT dagi operation theater dagi akhoi operation tawgada patient chingtharu baju leijade karigumba amta tawjagi baju leijade mai muthat ki baju leijade khoi gi lamben se phangdi ba phawba hangdi ba phawba moi jenims adu oda akhoi college adu oda akhoi darkar tade moi gi dukan gi pot sit pasit tabju akhoi darkar tade ipai pu na thambiram ba lamben se si khakta kanjabani akhoi gi pandam.
Meanwhile, after an incident when Impact TV queried to MLA, he said there is no wrong in launching the agitation to open Pong Road. He has been also urging the Chief Minister since a long time to open the road, which is very vital for the movement of people. He also appealed the JC to bring out a solution by meeting with Chief Minister when he returns in Fall.
Aikoina mayangi mating pangdabadona tauribasi masi warobigano madumana kanbigano tasengna Honorable Chief Minister ga darkar leibada mangondagi appointment lawraga mayamna unabiningba adugumba leiragasu unanaba sinjagani aduga mayamgi pennaba karamain tawraga tawba haibado aikoi tabna ingna khanaraga honabana phagani haina aigi thamoida aini phawjei.
Proscribed UNLF has claim of killing one Assam Rifle personnel and injuring two belonging to B Company of 24 Assam Rifles in between Kwatha and Satang village on 25th October. According to a press release by Director UNLF Sakhen, the attack was carried out by a patrol team of MPA. The grenade attack on a CRPF convoy near Nityananda Mandap of Rims Road on the same day was also carried out by the demolition team. The attack on Indian security forces will continue until and unless Manipur is free from Indian occupation. 22nd Guru Kirtan Seva 2015, organized by Gulapi Nat Sankirtan Academy, Kwakatil Nganapithong Mapal, concluded today. Florid tributes were paid to the portraits of late gurus, and Kirtan Rupo Lavali, produced by Sorokhaibam Guru Sajau B. Singh, was also staged in the afternoon. One Habibur Rahman from Lilong Atau Khong has injured Tajuddin Makak, aged 37, from Lilong to Del Ahanbi on 6th October last. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Tajuddin Makak said he went to the farm of Habibur Rahman located at Lilong Atau Khong on 6th October at around 8 p.m. as Habibur informed him to take the money he borrowed from Tajuddin. However, before reaching the farm, Habibur attacked him with a knife to kill. He suffered injury on his left shoulder. He lamented, saying Lilong police has not taken up any action so far, even after he filed a complaint to Lilong police station on 7th October. He further alleged Habibur's daughter Sumtabi has sprayed many vile allegations against him. Eastern Students Club, Nomibung, under the aegis of State Health Society Manipur and National Health Mission, today organized a sport painting competition on the theme Iron Deficiency Disorder are invisible, reversible and preventable at the multi-purpose hall of the club. Around 150 students from class 3 to 8 took part in the competition held in connection with the Global Iron Deficiency Disorder Prevention Day. Now, the 20th Loktak Day celebration on the theme Save Loktak Alive was held at Mayang Imphal Water Sports Complex, Komlakong, Chingthi. The importance and inseparable of Loktak Lake to the people of Manipur were discussed in threadbare. Additional Chief Engineer PWD N. Noren was also participated in the event. Many cultural programs were also shown as part of the observance. The drive against consumption and selling of liquor in Yumnam Lekai area will be intensified according to a press release by Indo-Burma Road Sports Association and Yumnam Lekai Apunbalup and Yumnam Lekai Manning Women's Association. It may be recalled that the drive has kicked off from Sunday last. Now, District Water and Sanitation Committee, Chandel District, organized a one-day interpersonal communication program on Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin at the training hall of Reach M located at Nungaurok village in Chandel District yesterday in connection with the National Sanitation Campaign 2015. In a technical session of the program, topics of Swachh Bharat Mission, Gramin and waterborne diseases and its preventive measures were discussed. The program was attended by various leaders of villages and social organizations of the district, among others. All Manipur Matam Isai Kanglup Amik in a meeting condemned the interference in its internal function by some other groups and organizations. Amik in a press release said it has been resolved to appeal its members not to take part in any production of film, music video or concert. The meeting also resolved to appeal cable networks not to broadcast any music for the time being. Lifesavers Manipur today celebrated its first Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club. The Foundation Day celebration was attended by various voluntary blood donors of the state and members of civil society organizations. Lifesavers Manipur has been donating blood and giving awareness to the masses about the benefit of blood donation. Chairman and Managing Director of Babina Groups, Dr. T.H.W. Singh, said earlier only professional blood donors used to donate blood, but nowadays many voluntary blood donors have come out for blood donation. Umang Lai Kanbalup Ukal today recognized Panthau Isai Konung Wangkai Hijam Lerak as one of its constituent sacred Umang Lai complex. The recognition was conferred with offerings at Panthau Isai Konung. Representatives of Ukal, Amaiba and devotees of Panthau took part in the event. Panthau expressed his gratitude and thanked Ukal for the recognition.
Laipam masibu masak khangba Umang Laipam len haina Koloi minglel ama haitel laiten loipon telak pasida layoibegi pakholoi oiba taibangsa oiba egi mafamdade angak pagi ngam khai leitana harauba pokre miyoiba singi maraksida layoiba amagi pakhol oina lairakpa matamna mina ebu thajabiramgadra mina thajabiroidra khoyum lai sibu haidana aigi wakhalda yamna wabane adabu ngaside Umang Laipam len haiba lai amagi maming panbasina mapan naidana haraubasi lamba laitre ay asuki matik haraure.
Executive Officer Imphal Municipal Corporation said there is no initiative of issuing new vendor card or license or an appeal not to trust in the rumors regarding the matter. Executive Officer in a press release also asked those who are collecting money in the name of making new cards or license to stop the malpractice at once and appeal anyone to contact Executive Officer or Revenue Officer of IMC for clarification. Now, normal life was affected today by the 48-hour ban called by JC against the mysterious death of Sinam Tomboy of Thawal Kiam Sipai. The ban was called after the state government failed to fulfill JC's demand on the given deadline. That was yesterday. Today's ban was also affected the Imphal More Road. Sinam Tomboy died under mysterious circumstances on 21 October. Fed up with a frequent request to authorities concerned to repair the deplorable IVR road, locals today started repairing the road with their own money without taking help from the state government. For the purpose, Moijing Tangkai to Waitho IVR Development Committee collected funds from locals residing in the area. The 7th annual exhibition of Art Society Manipur, including photography, kicks off from today at Art Gallery of Imphal Arts College. 7 paintings, 6 sculpture, 7 graphics and 15 photographs are taking part in the exhibition, according to a press release by Arts Society Manipur. Now in sports, in the 57th league match of the 10th Manipur State League played today, FC Zalent Sadahils beat Trau Kwakatel by 2-1. Patrick Kamei and Saikohau Tuboy netted the winning goals for FC Zalent Sadahils. In another 58th league match, a goal from KH Sanjoy in the 90+4 minute took USA Kurai to victory against Nako Nambol Mapal by 1-0. Trukpu Nambol will play Neroka FC Sangakpam, YPHU Lalambong will play SSU Singjangmei, while MPSC Imphal will play Nisha Thangmaiban tomorrow. Yai School Kankut entered the final of the 60th Sir Churchan Singh G KCSI CBE League Cum Knockout Open Kang Tournament. In the first semi-final match played today, Yai School Kankut beat KKCO Elangbam Lekai Kankut 23-22 to book a berth in the final. 13 Kankuts are taking part in the tournament organized by Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Development Kang Association at Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Sanglen Laiprakpam Lekai Kakwa. NNK Nambol Kankut will clash with Klasa Kaino Kankut in the second semi-final tomorrow. JSYC Sadahils beat Sagolban United by 1-0 in the first leg semi-final of 20th Winners' Cup football tournament played at Kangpokpi today. The second leg of semi-final will be played on 29th of this month at Sai Takiel. Now continuing with the football news, Upsa Pukhao became the champion of Moirangtham Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League, while Rao Ladik Imbam Lekai managed the runner-up position. In the league matches played on the last day of the tournament, Rao Ladik Imbam Lekai trounced UDO Haingang 6-0, while Golapati Athletic Union thrashed TYWO Takhel 10-1. In the matches played this afternoon, DOAK Yaripok and Upsa Pukhao ended in a goalless draw, while in the last match, SSC Porompat beat Nesu Kurai by 2-1. 10 teams took part in the tournament organized by Imphal East District Football Association. Upsa Pukhao and Rao Ladik Imbam Lekai have been qualified to play in the Super Division League organized by Imphal East District Football Association. Now here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Titular King Laishemba Sanajoba says the ritual of Mera Hau Chongbo once again showed that all the communities living in the state share common origin. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam once again reiterates to be cautious from those who are trying to disintegrate the state of the integrity of the state. Francis Ngazokpa lambasted using of students by CSOs and student bodies to address their problems. And JAC Pong Road throngs MLA Dr. NGB Joy's residence and demands resignation if the road cannot be reopened.